Hey, how you doing?
Alright. So it's
Just this stuff?
That thing right there.
Alright. Oh, there you go.
Trash. Thank you. And then these, and then this back here. This back here. Sorry.
No, you good. Everything in there?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull back there.
Right. And just dump it off the balcony, and then all this over here. So you don't have none of that.
Just this room?
Yes. The dining room all the way out to the balcony.
All right.
And then how do you want to have it?
I could do check, cash, Venmo, cash out, or I can send you a link so you can pay by credit card, but there's a processing fee for that.
Okay, do you take Zelle?
I tried setting up Zelle, it wouldn't let me. I don't know why.
Okay, let me go up the street to Bank of America right now. Do you know this is fine?
Okay.
Okay. You have my number, sorry.
Yeah, no. I think looking at it all, there's no paint or nothing, right?
No.
Looking at it, I think it looks like it's gonna be more like the 300 range as far as how much stuff there is. And then, because I'm gonna have to take it out the front because I can't pull back here.
Okay.
Unfortunately, there's no. I'll be stuck out here. So, but yeah. So.
Yeah, usually people go around that way. And then this.
Is it? It looks like.
You said it's a trailer.
Yeah, I've got a tree.
Got you. So I understand.
It don't look like there's no way around.
Like for you to get out, it'll be hard for you to back out that way.
Right.
I know
Yeah.
what you're saying. Okay. Let me go with the cash.
What you got?
You see these guns?
Yep. Those are pretty cool, ain't they? Pop guns. Yep.
What is that? Do you do videos?
Yep.
You do videos?
Yep.
What's your YouTube video?
Barnes Home Services.
Huh?
Barnes Home Services.
Mine toter. Can you do it?
Can you do what?
I'm on video right now.
Yep. Yep. No, I don't do autographs, buddy.
Okay.
You work here?
Yeah.
You don't need somebody to haul that stuff out of here?
We pay somebody. We have somebody.
Oh, you've already got a service that does that?
Do you have
A card?
the card?
Yeah.
You have insurance?
Yes, licensed, insured.
I-9 and all that?
Yep, everything you need.
What would you charge for like that? Just so I know kind of what.
Probably about 300.
300?
I think so. Yeah, from looking far away, I think so.
Okay. I'll figure it out.
Awesome. Thank you.
I appreciate you so much.
Absolutely, I'm all wet. Thank you, I appreciate it. If you need any help with anything else, let me know.
I got your number. Appreciate it.
Have a good day.